ask you a question. Do you think that maybe the things that are happening in our country and in our world, are they all of Satan? Or could they be some of it by God's design to get us to come back to him? Because I'd like to believe that there's still in the heart, especially of Americans, the desire to acknowledge a creator who made, who designed. And this was not part of his design that we should be like this at all. Ever. And evidently people can't learn from these precious records that we have that there is a message being sent. That until this country begins to turn back to God, I'm not talking about lip service, about all the people that gather and have entertainment. I'm talking about on your knees, begging God, restore the country and the people that we know as America. Restore the American spirit and those who are not ashamed to say one nation under God. Until that happens, maybe these things that are befalling us, we may just be like the people of the southern kingdom. But unlike the people of the southern kingdom, there are people that are deaf to the word of God, and they cannot acknowledge that we must change our ways.
Come into this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before him, exalt his name today. Come into this house,